Kia ora. This is the latest resource from Te Reo Club. It's a list of chores and also a list of routines that you can put up somewhere on your wall or on your pātaka kai, and it'll help you, you and your tamariki with the reo, and also getting things done around the place. My tamariki have left, but I've made this for my husband, who is going to cooperate. Okay, first thing, mahi a kāinga, chores. Ko te aha tēnei rā, ko te rā pari. So we're on Thursday. Tuatahi, maranga mai, get up. Whakapai moinga, make bed. Horoi kanohi, wash face. Waku niho, brush teeth. Tahi tahi puehu I te papa, sweep the floor. Whakapi aku pūrere horoi rihi, empty the dishwasher. Whakaki pūrere horoi rihi, fill the dishwasher, load it. Whakariti tēpu kai, get the plates ready, set the table for breakfast. Tuku paraki waho, take the rubbish outside. Whangai mō kai, feed the pets. Whakahikoi kuri, walk the dog. And when you finish that, you can horoi kākahu, wash the clothes, and then you can have free time. And when you've finished all those things, you can have a badge, a ribbon that says Kei ronga no atu koe, you're the best. So there are about 44 of these. As I said, it's a good way to have more reo. They are big, but big is actually good if you've got the room, because it means you can see them from anywhere. If they're little, you have to be close up to read them. So yeah, they are big. They can be made smaller. And they're also, the routine ones are a really good way for your tamariki to see what's going on in a day. So enjoy.